It's banana bread.
It's banana bread, and are we mixing it here today?
Yes.
Oh, that looks delicious. What are some of the ingredients?
It's little mush. It's not ready yet,
Oh,
but it's a little mushy. We're still making it.
Oh, that looks delicious. Can we have a taste when it's ready?
Sure.
Thanks. So what's in the bowl here?
I got some letters with my cube blocks and some of it with my snowballs. I'm making Rainbow Letter Spaghettios.
That sounds delicious. We're doing a little cooking today. What are you making?
I'm making a fruit salad.
That's delicious. Tell me, what's going to be in it? Peach. Yep.
And a carrot.
Excellent.
And apple.
An apple.
And a banana.
Banana.
And an onion and a pepper.
An onion.